In this video, I will explain how you can group the layers in Photoshop and what is the benefit that we get from grouping the layers. So first of all, let me show you that there are 3 layers in this particular document that I have opened. So layer 0, then L1 and L2. You can see here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to group these layers L1 and L2. So just select those 2 layers and then you can right click and then click on group layers. So select these 2 layers and then click here this folder icon. So what happens is that new group is created. Now basically the use of this group is that when you want to order change the order of these layers, what happens is that both these particular layers L1 L2 will be moved at the same time. So for example, I want to move both the layers below layer 0. So I'm just gonna drag it here and you can see both the layers L1 L2 have been moved behind this layer 0. Okay, so that is one of the benefits that you get out of grouping the layers. Another thing is you can just right click here and then click on merge this group. You can see there is this option merge group. So what happens is that say you have created a group of say 4 to 5 layers, and when you merge that group, what happens is that 4 to 5 layers that you have created are merged into single layer. Okay, so that is another benefit that we get out of grouping the layers. Now to delete these layers or ungroup these layers, just right click once again and then click on ungroup layers, or if you want to delete that, you can delete as well from these options. That's it. Thanks for watching.